Let's face it, office technology often boils down to finding the perfect balance between functionality and cost efficiency, without sacrificing performance. In today's fast-paced business landscape, companies constantly struggle with finding innovative solutions to streamline workflow, cut printing costs, and secure sensitive information. The KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix is poised to challenge the status quo. This powerful, multifunctional monochrome laser printer boasts a unique blend of exceptional speed, top-notch quality, robust security features, and a user-friendly interface, making it a prime contender in the competitive office print market. Now, let's delve into the world of this impressive machine. The KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix stands tall at 25.7 by 27.5 by 27.4 inches, taking up roughly 2.5 cubic feet of your valuable office space. Although it's no slouch in terms of stature, this printer's build quality tells a different story. Its sturdy frame, reinforced by high-impact materials, provides a reassuring foundation for its substantial weight of approximately 73 pounds. One of the areas where this machine truly shines is its sleek, futuristic control panel. The KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix boasts a massive 7-inch touchscreen that seamlessly merges functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're a seasoned office professional or a tech newbie, navigating this intuitive interface proves remarkably simple. Now that we've covered design and usability, let's dive deeper into the core features of the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix. One of the key selling points lies in its unparalleled print quality, achieved through a 1200 by 1200 dots per inch resolution. This exceptional level of detail ensures crisp, clear monochrome text and intricate line work that rivals more expensive competitors. Moreover, the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix delivers at a blistering pace of up to 47 pages per minute. This lightning-fast performance reduces downtime and boosts office productivity, making it an absolute gem in a time-sensitive work environment. Another critical aspect of the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix is its built-in security features. In today's world, protecting sensitive data, networks, and devices is a top priority. The KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix comes equipped with their enhanced K-level security, offering additional peace of mind when safeguarding the integrity of your data. The KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix also supports Gigabit Ethernet connectivity. This high-speed, wired option offers fast file transfers and ensures seamless communication across your network. For offices without a direct Ethernet connection, users can opt for a reliable Wi-Fi network. One of the standout selling points of the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix lies in its versatility. Not only can it print high-quality monochrome text at an impressive 47 ppm, but it also offers reliable scanning and copying capabilities. With a maximum paper capacity of 1,500 sheets, this printer can tackle the busiest office demands without breaking a sweat. In real-world testing, we pitted the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix against a demanding workload. We threw a mix of reports, spreadsheets, and marketing materials at this powerful machine, pushing it to its limits. Throughout the trial, the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix consistently delivered crisp, high-quality prints that met even the most stringent office standards. Despite the grueling workload, this machine performed flawlessly, consistently outputting prints at a pace that rivals other high-end printers in its class. Although it doesn't have a duplexer, it's certainly capable of producing professional-grade double-sided prints. However, there are some minor drawbacks. As a monochrome laser printer, it lacks color printing capabilities. Additionally, the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix only boasts a relatively modest 512 megabytes of RAM, which might not be sufficient for offices with extremely heavy printing demands. Furthermore, while the 7-inch touchscreen is undoubtedly a strength, it may sometimes take time to get accustomed to, especially for novice users. When considering competing options in the office laser printer market, The KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix stands tall alongside giants like HP and Xerox. However, it outshines its competitors in terms of print quality and overall performance. The KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix also features a more intuitive control panel and enhanced security features, making it a clear winner in terms of user experience. If you're in the market for a high-quality, multifunctional printer that balances performance with cost efficiency, the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix is a compelling option. With exceptional print quality, robust security, and an intuitive interface, this machine has the potential to revolutionize your office workflow. So, why keep settling for mediocre print quality and wasted time? It's time to upgrade to the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix. Your business productivity will thank you. Get ready to experience the future of office printing. Discover the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA4500ix today.